Hey everyone, today I will show you how to reset Explore page on Instagram. First, go to your profile page and click on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you see suggested content in what you see section. What you can do is go into interest and make sure that any content you don't want to see on your Explore page is not listed here. If it is, go ahead and remove it, as that will influence your recommendations. Next, go into Not Interested. Here, you can use a few settings that can be very useful. You could go into specific words and phrases and type in anything you don't want to see on your Explore page. If you don't want to see sensitive content, you can adjust that setting as well. You can also change settings related to political content. The next step is to return to your main settings. Go to your activity to see how you use Instagram. Scroll down and click on Recent Searches. Then click on Clear All because Instagram may recommend content based on your previous searches. Now go back to the Explore page. You can refresh it by dragging down like so. If you start to see more content you are interested in, that is great. What is definitely worth doing is scrolling through the Explore page and liking posts you want to see more of. You can also mark posts as not interested for things you want to see less of. Just click on the top right and select Not Interested, then refresh it and keep doing that. Hopefully, the content will start to align more with what you want to see. On how to reset Explore page on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.